Elizer Carrasquillo, Transportation, School-Related Employee of the Year.
Well, basically, my title is work order clerk. In this office, we handle the work orders for all the fuel system. That is one of the most important responsibilities because I have to make sure that we have fuel at all times. Not too much, but never run out. Also, personally, I drive a school bus. Basically, every day I'm driving because we need drivers. So I believe that I'm here to serve. For example, being a bus driver and being in charge of the fuel, I get a chance to talk to my drivers. Also, I get a chance to relate with my students when I drive in a school bus. And I can really feel and see what really they need and how they should be treated. So basically, the main reason why I love my job because it gives me a chance to deal with the people and show them that I really care about their needs. And my office is always open. And basically, I like to help. That's why I love my job.